All right, so in this video, we're going to look at here 9 ways to get banned on this Fiverr platform. So let's get started. Okay, so if you're new on this whole training or this channel, you might want to also like and subscribe. Okay, and what I want you to also understand is this platform has rules, and if you're able to play according to their rules, I'm telling you for a fact you can make the most out of it. So if you check, okay, here, okay, I've put together 9 words that can lead you into trouble on the Fiverr platform. So the first one is if you use this symbol called @ okay. So on Fiverr, one thing they don't like, or the platform has its own AI or bot crawlers. Okay, when we talk about bot crawlers, we're talking about AI that's are able to take charge of trigger words or trigger activities. Okay, so there are some activities when you do on the platform, automatically the robot will automatically ban you or something, or restrict your account, and then later an expert or someone who is in charge, we call them support. The support team will rather come and look at it and then enforce it, or see to it that if it's a mistake, you release your account. If you see that you are at fault, your account is gone. So we want to look at it. So the first thing is when you type @ okay. So when you type @ okay, one interesting thing about the platform is that if you do it, for now this is a fresh account that does not have anything, but if you have a message or somebody has messaged you and it's in your inbox, what's going to happen is that as soon as you type @ or use the @ symbol, okay, when the seller uses the @ symbol, it's not really a problem. But when the buyer uses, okay, that is not a problem for him, but for you it's going to be a problem. So as soon as you type the @ what is going to happen is that the robot will warn you. Okay, that is if you are using a desktop. But the sad thing is that if you are using an app, it doesn't warn you. You wouldn't know. You'll just be there one day, you wake up and your account is gone. So you don't want to use @ okay. If you want to use @ rather write @ okay, but do not make yourself prone to these things, because with time, if let's say in the future and there's a problem between you and a buyer, and then they have to do a thorough investigation, they're going to check all the chats you've had and all of that, and they see that you have been trying to use this symbol and you've been using this. Let's say you took somebody's email address and then you, instead of using the @ you use this because you are trying to circumvent their platform, you lose your account. So you don't want to be part of this whole thing. So that is one that you want to see. Now the number 2 is email, the word email. It depends on the gig that you are offering. There are some gig that you are offering, they will allow you to, they will overlook this thing, but you don't want to really play along with writing email. Write mail, okay. All right, so Fiverr does not even encourage those things on their platform, because they've made sure that everything is possible on their platform. Okay, they've made sure that everything you can, if you are in there, you are chatting with someone, they've made availability for you to upload videos, anything. So they don't want you to move out of their platform, right? The reason is that they are running ads and stuff to get eyeballs onto their platform. So you moving away and doing stuff outside their platform is going to let them lose. So they are very strict with this. So do not share email addresses or write the word email on the platform. The next thing is that you don't want to type the word money. Okay, money. If you type the word money, okay, if you're a newbie, you have to take these things. I'm telling you very sure. If you type the word money, you are going to have big problem with the AI bot crawlers on the platform. So you don't want to type money. Or sometimes you might want to be smart, you want to type this, okay, and then money. Please don't be doing that. If there's something, or if you don't get issue, which on Fiverr, once you start going high, you cross 200 orders in total and stuff, one day you get a buyer, okay, that will give you problem and give you wahala, and support will come in. So you just don't want to entertain these things on the platform. The next one is you are typing the word Skype, okay. Now one thing that others do is that there are some sellers, there are some buyers, they will even write their email and then Skype or something and attach it like a folder that, oh, my work description is attached, this is check it and let me know. So you see that they have their email, everything. do not fall for it that you move outside the platform. All right, do just everything, keep it on the platform. So do not use the word Skype, because they don't want you to move out of the platform. The next one is, trying to say the word funds. Okay, so make sure that you don't want to do that. Okay, so you can just ignore S, and then how do we do it? Okay, so make sure that you write your words out without this. The next thing is that you don't want to do the word WhatsApp. Okay, you don't want to, you see, these are trigger words that will cause the robot to restrict your account. First, it will warn you 3 times. After 3 times, it's taking your account down. So you don't want to write these words, and it will harm your account. The next thing is that if you keep doing it, that it starts deranking you, then from time it shuts you off. Okay, so you don't want to use the word WhatsApp. That's number 6. Number 7, let's look at number 7. It's call. The word call. Okay, you don't want to be using the word call on a platform. I'm sure you are like, so how is it going to be that you're going to survive on a platform? No, there are lots of ways. Look for words that are similar to this and use. Okay, so you don't want to use that. Okay, so number 8 is phone number. Okay, you do not exchange phone number or write the word phone number. Okay, so you want to make sure that you move away from these things. These trigger the robot to worry your account. The last one which we are going to pick up is payment. Writing the word payment or writing the word pay. All right, so make sure that you don't want to write the word pay $200. Pay, no. It says he who asks, let's say it says, how much are you looking at? Then you write straightforward this. So how do I pay you? Don't write pay on the platform. On the platform, let me prepare an invoice for you. Okay, so please, are you ready to pay? No, say you want to say, please, can I send you an invoice so that we can process your order? You understand? You don't say so that you can pay, so that I can process your order. That's what you want to say. All right, so they will say, I'm ready to pay. You write, okay. Do not use those words. They can use, okay, as a buyer, but you as a seller, you are prohibited from using these things. All right, so I hope this is very helpful. These 9 things: @ symbol, email, money, Skype, funds, WhatsApp, call, phone number, payment, or pay, are things you might want to look at carefully when you are chatting on a Fiverr platform.